So I've been thinking that if you clean your CD lens cleaners that are scratched up, then they will work again. The Wii will work again. I'm gonna show you this video of how it works without paying cheap money to get a new Wii. So I have Wii Sports, and it's pretty scratched. You can probably see that through the camera. I'm going to play the disc, and it's not going to work. Taking a lot longer for it to read the disc with the scratches on it. Well, I'm not gonna... Taking a lot longer. Thinking an error should come up. Oh, there it goes. And see, an error has occurred. The music stops and everything stops, and then the screen turns black saying that the error came. So we're gonna take out the disc. And I'm gonna try and clean out my Wii lenses. So I have my CD DVD lens cleaner, and it's pretty scratched on the edges. You probably can see that, but mostly these brushes look like dents. And so I'm going to help the disc, help the Wii get clean by putting it in both sides. And we're gonna insert the disc. Wii's don't know how to read these kind of discs. So we're gonna put it in on the other side. And I'm gonna try and make the Wii read the disc.
Hey, what are you doing out there? Hey, no!
Alright. Preparing for good action. The professional choice. The professional's choice. And I'm gonna play this disc and see, it doesn't work. Using your Wii lenses, lens cleaner, cleaning it out when you think it's the trouble of the disc and the Wii, it still does not work. So, in fact, it just makes things worse. So, thanks for watching. Bye.